Submitting your online marriage application can now be started prior to coming into the Register of Wills office in the County Administration Building. If you are unable to complete the online application prior to coming into our office, you will be asked to sit at one of our kiosks before sitting down with a marriage clerk. Here are the basic steps. 1. Sign into our e-filing system as a guest. 2. Fill out as much information as you can within all 4 tabs. 3. Submit your completed application. 4. Come into our office to finish the application and receive your license. Now let's try it together. To begin, you may log in as a guest onto www.buckscounty.org/ROWOC records. For a marriage license application, it is not necessary to create an account, as our marriage clerks will be able to search by your last names. Next, select the option to e-file marriage license application and accept the instructions. Completely fill out all information that you have for all 4 of the tabs shown at the top. Once you have filled out the information on each tab, go back through the application to ensure none of the fields are red. If there is a field in red, fill in the information requested to complete the application. If there are no fields in red, submit your application to our office. A pop-up box will appear when your application is successfully submitted. Click OK to continue. Another notification of successful submission will appear once the first one is closed. Click OK to proceed. Once the second pop-up box disappears, you may print your notification and log out. You are not required to print your application, but you may bring it in for reference if you would like. Our clerks will be able to search by your last names in our system to finish your application once you come to our office. When you and your fiancé come in person to complete your application, please be sure to bring the following. 1. $80 cash or a credit card. We do not accept checks for this type of transaction. 2. Each party's current photo ID. 3. Any divorce decrees either individual may have. Lastly, we want to share a few reminders to keep in mind when planning to come into our office to complete the application for your marriage license. 1. The 3-day waiting period will begin once you have completed your application with our office and have received your marriage license. 2. Be sure to complete your application and receive your license within 60 days of your wedding date. 3. Our marriage licenses are only valid in Pennsylvania. 4. Please distinguish which license you will need to receive from our office, traditional or self-uniting, as soon as you sit down with one of our clerks. 5. Veterans and active military personnel are entitled to discounts. The marriage clerks in our office will be thrilled you were able to get things going from your home, and your forward thinking will save you time as well. For more information, or if you have any questions, please contact our office at any time.